you gave two examples. One example is when some 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 insects in the grains, eating the grains like dal, and sometimes they make one. You have to separate the grains and the insects. And you said something about this I didn't understand. And second example, like when there's some insects in the bark, like in a tree or some leaf.
Wood, they are making
the hole. Then it seems some letters like A, B, C. Like it's like random. It's like they didn't do on purpose, but it made sense. Like so, I don't understand this example.
No, you try to understand. Lord Bhagavan, He creates all the living entities and everything, their diversity. Diversity, Vaichitrata, this is the variety. This is the nature of the creation. Understand these things. The variety is the nature of the creation. Even in this transcendental world or material world, variety is very prominent. You can see here in the many here. Even one leaves and another leaves, you cannot see the similar. Similar means as. Mm-hmm. You cannot see this. One leaf and another leaf, similar, externally similar, but some also dissimilar. Maybe some line, say some must be there. Similar, this is called the even the transcendental world, that is also Vaichitrata is there. So I also explained the actual Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in his commentary very nicely explained this way. So now we are saying this way, the here Rupa Goswami Pad written Sajatiya Snigdha. Sajatiya means like-minded. So how possible the like-minded? When you deeply analyze, like-minded is not possible. Two kinds of conception. One is called Sthul Vichar, one is called Sukshma Vichar. All our Goswamis always giving the conception two ways. One is called Sthul Vichar. Sthul Vichar means gross conception. And another is called subtle conception. That is called Sukshma Vichar. Gross conception, Sthul Vichar, we can see the Sajati Yutta. Sajati is coming in this way first. And one devotee worship Radha and Krishna. He have to also associate with those who worship Radha and Krishna. It is Sajati coming. One who worship Ramchandra, Ram and Sita, he has to worship with the same way. You worship Ram Sita, I worship Radha and Krishna. That is the contradictory of the mood of Sajatya. Hanuman, he is an Nishtha with Ram. Hanuman, he would not like to stay in Braj. Why? Because this is the contradictory mood of Hanuman. What is the mood of Hanuman? With Ishtadev? Vaisarja mood, opulence mood. The Ramchandra is Bhagavan. He is the supreme personality of Godhead. Srinathi Janaki Nathi Abhida Paramatmani Tathavi Ramachandra Mama Sarvashta Jivana. Hanumanji says this way. I know Tattva Siddhanta, Paramatma Tattva, Ramchandra is Paramattattva, Bhagavad Krishna is Paramattattva, God is one. Same Ram manifested from Krishna, or same Krishna manifests in the form of Ram. Lord is one, only one Paramatma Tattva these days. But my Nishtha, Hanumanji is saying, my Nishtha with my Ram. Eh? Ram is called Marjada Purushottam, or Krishna is called Leela Purushottam. Different. Ramchandra always follows the rules and regulations of the society. Or Krishna is beyond of the rules and regulations of the society. Same Lord. When he comes in the form of Ram, that time he established the Marjada. Understand? Rules and regulations of the society, very strictly. Or same Krishna, Ram, he comes in the form of Krishna, and that time he performs Leela, Leela Purushottam. He does not follow all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. Understand this day. Varnandan Krishna, he beyond of rules and regulations of the scriptures. He runs and chasing behind the gopis. Ramchandra did not. Same Ram has now come in Dapar Yug in the form of Krishna. And now he is different mood. So that means according your Ishtadev, worshipful deities, according your mood, you have to friendship with that kinds of devotee. Those are devotees of Ram. They cannot do the deep or intimate friendship with the devotee of Krishna. This is the process. So just I coming back this is Swajati Arjuna. Swajati means you worship to Ram, so you have to find out who is worship to Ram. If you worship to Krishna, then you have to find out who worships to Krishna. And then that is called friendship mode. That is a Swajatya Bhav. Now, actually this is also gross conception. When you deeply analyze and settle conception coming this way, settle when this way, very sukshma vichar, the Sajatya Bhav is coming in going, even you worship Krishna and another person also worship Krishna. But when you there the mood also difference. Some Sakha Bhav, some Dasya Bhav, some Vatsalya Bhav, some Madhurya Bhav, sweetness mood. This also their gross way, also their friendship mood. Understand this thing? Dasya Bhav mood, there is a Rakta Patra. Sakha Bhav, Subal Siddham. Vatsalya Bhav, and what is his name? Nanda Jasoda. Or Madhurya Bhav, conjugal mood in the gopis. The four types of in this way. But then, their gross way, they friendship to each others. This is true. Because all the moods, they're increasing the others' mood. As like the one ocean, but there are many waves are coming. Some small waves, some big waves. Just we saw ocean. Some waves also are to over jumped to one small waves. In this way, ocean creates very nice, beautiful vision, Sundarja. This is true. So that conclusion is that even in Madhurya Ras, all rasas, nourishment to Madhurya Ras, meaning conjugal mood, Gopi's mood. This is the way. So now coming again more deeply come in the subtle mood of the gopis. Many kinds of gopis, but 4 kinds of gopis there. 4 kinds of gopis are there. 5 kinds of gopis there. What are the 5 kinds? Sokhi, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi, and Prana Prishta Sakhi. Eh? Sakhis, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi and Prana Prishta Sakhi. Eh? This is all they love Srimati Radhika, they also service to Srimati Radhika according to their own mood, bhav. Because service is going according to their mood, bhav. Bhav madhurya, sweetness of their mood. So now coming in this way, Lalita Vishakha, they are called Prana Prishta Sakhi. The very topmost. Topmost Sakhis, Ashta Sakhis, 8 Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. They very nicely serve to Srimati Radhika. And then coming in this way, Brinda and others, they also worship. But their mood intense towards Krishna. Brinda, Bindarika, Dhanishta, that is called Krishna Paksha Gopi. But Vrindadevi is so much love and affection with Srimati Radhika. Understand? You cannot compare to others also. Vrindadevi and Vrindadevi her duty is also many things to how Radha Krishna meet together. But Vrindadevi is her intense towards Krishna. For this regard, Vrindadevi she is called Krishna Paksha Gopi. Lalita, Vishakha, 8 Sakhis. They have also very love and affection with Srimati Radhika. But their love and affection, both Radha and Krishna. These things. So they are called Ubhay Nishtha. Ubhay means both. They are Nishtha with both. Radha and Krishna. Ubhay Nishtha Gopis, they are called. Lalita, Vishakha, they are called Ubhay Nishtha Gopis. And now coming in Manjaris. Manjaris means is what? They have Bhavullas Rati and they have intense only towards Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Nishtha Gopi. So now, according to Nishtha, 3 kinds of gopis coming. What that? Krishna Nishtha, Ubhay Nishtha and Radha Nishtha. So now coming again, very deeply analyze Radha Nishtha gopis, that is called Manjari, simple way. Radha Nishtha gopis, who are they? Rupa Manjari, Roti Manjari, that is called Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, they are called Manjari. Before I told 5 kinds of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi, Prana Prishta Sakhi. So now Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, that is called Manjari. And their mood only intense towards Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Nishtha. Understand? Radha Nishtha there. And even in their dream, they never think to independently meet with Krishna. Lalita Vishakha, sometimes they meet with Krishna independently. But those who are Manjari, Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, Sapanam OP, even in their dream, they never think they meet with Krishna independently. So now clear. The Manjaris, that is called what Nishtha? Radhika Nishtha. They are only one pointed with Srimati Radhika, Radhika Nishtha. Okay. Now coming again, also analyze about the Manjaris. So Manjaris, they are called Sajatyatta coming. Rup Manjari, Roti Manjari, they are Sajatyatta. Lalita, Vishakha, their own group, they are Sajatta. Because different groups. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi, Prana Prishta Sakhi. Level. According to the level. How they are Sajatyatta. Understand or not?
Yeah.
Lalita, Vishakha, they are high level. Understand these things. So they are also, they are Sajatyatva. Prana Prishna Sakhi Sajatva, Sakhi Satyatva, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, different, they are Sajatyatva coming. Now Manjari Sajatva we discuss. So Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, how they are Sajatyatva like-minded now coming. Understand? Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, and all these Manjaris, they are Sajatyatva. They also give respect, love and affection, all the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Manjari, they also so much love and affection with Lalita Visakha, and Lalita Visakha, they have also so much love and affection with the Manjaris. This is true. Because they are the same line of Radha and Krishna. So now coming in this Manjaris, how Sajatya will discuss. They deeply again analyze. Rupa Manjari and Rati Manjari, Sajatyatva we discuss. Now Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in his commentary very nicely explained. The Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Sajatyatva, and how they are Sajatyatva. Sajatyatva means only like-minded, you are saying. We are. Same mood, same activity, that is called Sajatyatva. Now question is coming, the Krishna, he creates everything with a variety. Variety is, this is the speciality of Krishna's creation and enjoying mode. Every day you cook same thing, then your mind will be disturbed. You have to cook different days, different things and different spices. And sometimes you can dal, sabji, sometimes you are cooking, what is called? Pista, pasta, sometimes cooking neem, understand? Different ways, when we then taste is coming different. And every day, if you cook the Karela, your mind will be disturbed. You cannot eat also. So why I am saying, because variety, this is the important of the mellows, ocean of mellows. Rasmadhurja, this is the things. The sweetness of the mellows, variety. This is nothing. With the ocean, while you are sitting in front of the ocean, you are looking, different waves are coming. Not same waves. Sometimes high, sometimes low tide, sometimes high tide. Water is going this way. Wind sometimes having strong, sometimes wind coming very low. And that time you feeling very nice. You can sit in front of the ocean and just variety is coming. Understand? And vision is very nice, also beautiful view. Because variety is coming this way. Okay. Now we are coming again, return back, the Manjari Sajatyatva. Manjari Sajatyatva, this is true, all the Manjari, they have one pointed with Srimati Radhika, that is called Radha Nishtha. They 24 hours absorb how to give pleasure to Srimati Radhika. Nikunja Juno Ratikili Siddhai Jajali Bhi Juktiropexaniya Tatradi Daksat Ativallavasa Bandi Guru Sri Charana Ravinda. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad Guruvashta Gurukselpen this way. Ye Guru Rupa Sakhi Manjari. How serves to divine called Radha and Krishna. Even Guru Rupa Manjari Sakhi, his plan how to meet with Radha and Krishna, how to perform this Leela, then all the Pranapishta Sakhis, Lalita Visakha, they are very eager to listen. Eh? Lalita Visakha, they have a high level. But sometimes they ask to the Manjaris, Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjaris. Today what do you want? To make the Leelas of Radha and Krishna. They want to listen and their advice. So saying, Nikunja Juno Ratikili Siddhai Jajali bhi Juktiro Apekshaniya. Juktiro Apekshaniya. Jukti means advice. Or plan. Apekshaniya, they are waiting. They are eager to listen. So that means Lalita, Visakha, though they are prana prashta sakhi, they are very eager to listen and the plan of Radha and Krishna's, how they meet together, these things. So Manjari, this is the how they have these things, this conception. And Pran, even sometimes Lalita Visakha, they cannot direct to enter in the confidential place of, meeting place of Radha and Krishna. If they want to enter, they have to take permission from Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari. This thing. Prana prashti sakhi kila sankochita bhumika. They are not easy, Lalita Visakha are not easy to enter in that the confidential meeting place of divine Kula Radha and Krishna. Tamulo arpana pado mardano payodana obhisara devi. Binda rana mahasri prana prashta sakhi kila sankochita bhumika. Rupa Manjari tadasika aham sang sarat. Raghunathas Goswami recited this verse. So these types of lila is going on there. So this is the servitual mood of Manjaris. So now coming again deeply analyze the Manjari Sajidetto. Just give an example. Rupa Manjari she makes one garland for Srimati Radhika. Rati Manjari she also makes one garland for Srimati Radhika. Different one Guna Manjari or different Manjaris. They are making the garlands for Srimati Radhika. But not the same mood is there also in there. And not same way. Their varieties must be there. You make one garland, she make one garland, she make one garland. 5 garlands coming. Because there must be there some difference each of the garlands. Coming or not? You make one garland, you can 5% make garland. Then you can see must be somewhere some difference. Variety will be there. I gave example, this is Rupa Manjari and Rati Manjari, they are Swajatiyatva, because they are both are Manjari. Babullas, Rati inside India. But when they serve to Srimati Radhika or do anything, some variety, some difference will become there. So that means Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, now again coming some difference. Though Sajatiyatva, some difference coming in there. So now how to establish this conclusion? Rupa Goswami Padaka Sajatiya. Yes, Sajatiya means completely as it is as. But now question is as it is as not possible. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, or is it as it is as? As it is written? Srimad Bhagavad. As it is possible or impossible? Gross way possible, you are saying. Actual not possible. As it is, not possible. Here Vishwanath Chakravarti was saying. If it is as it is, So how possible if we established the variety? Our variety, this conception, is the nature of Lord, the creation of the Lord. Eh? When you deeply analyze these things, Ras Madhurya, without variety, then heart will never overjoyed. Yeah? Two conceptions always. One is called gross conception, and another is called subtle conception, sukshma vichar. Gross conception as it is. This is true. Yeah? Similarity is coming. And when deeply analyzed, then as it is not possible. Yeah? Not possible. So now coming, he says, so how to prove the Sajatyatva as it is? How to prove? Then Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad very nicely explained, Kathanchit, very, very rare. Suddenly or sometimes. And given that for given example, the two examples, Vishwanath Chakravarti, and some kinds of insects in the wood, they are making the hole. Understand? Small insects. They are making the hole. But suddenly one letter has come. A, B, C, D coming. Later. They are aiming object not to make the letter. Alphabet. A, B, C, D. But suddenly one letter has come. They go to A coming. That is called the suddenly. Akasmat. Another example is giving some kinds of insects staying in the dust of the grains. Dust of the grains, some small insects are staying. But when you separate the grains, then dust going out, and that time also dust in on the floor, and there are small insects in there. They are running here and there. And running, and they also making one alphabet, A, B, C. So in the same way, Sajatyatva, when you deeply analyze, is not possible, but certainly accidentally happen. This is very rare. Swarupa Goswami Pad.
I didn't get this one. Can you say about this letter that they formed? And it was by chance that this happened.
By chance, yes, suddenly happened. In the same way, once again, the same mood, possible. And accidentally. These are things. And, but this is very, very, very rare. You may not understand. But gross way, Sajatyatva, but when deeply analyzed in what is called subtle way, Sajatyatva, not possible. But possible also Sajatyatva, and very, very, very rare. Accidentally. So for this we are the Sajatyatva. This way, deeply and subtle way, the possible. Because Krishna has Achinta Sakti, inconceivable potency. In his inconceivable potency, everything is possible, impossible, impossible, possible. Yeah? Understand? Sajatyatva possible or impossible? But possible is impossible, impossible, possible. Otherwise, if not possible, so how you use this word Krishna Achinta Sakti? Achinta Sakti means it. And that potency creates this, which is possible to impossible, impossible to possible. Understand? This thing. Gaur Premanand. I cannot understand or not. 1,000 lives need. Chant holy names. Chant holy names, listen Hari Katha. Just listen. And chant holy names. Then one day you will understand. Understand?
She wants to make a question, Maharaj.
What's the question?
Eu entendi assim, mesmo havendo a variedade vista pelos sentidos e da mente, fora os sentidos e a mente, o objetivo é o mesmo.
Não, pergunta.
A pergunta é se isso que eu falei é certo. Mesmo havendo a variedade, né? Por exemplo, vários caminhos para se chegar ao Pai Divino, Filho, o sentido é o mesmo.
She's asking if there are many paths to go to the Lord, yes, to come to the Lord, but they all take to the Lord. That's the conclusion. Like there are many variety of ways of paths to come to the Lord, but they all take to the Lord, to Krishna. Are always taking to Krishna, like different ways to get to Krishna.
Listen, if you do bhajan, you depend on your destination.
Depende do seu destino. Depende do seu destino, da sua meta.
You depend on your destination.
Depende da sua meta.
And, okay, give an example. You want to go India. Your destination to go to India. But you can go to your destination India, but go different way. By plane. Could go. By train. Can go also. By also what is it called? Ship. Go to India. Now modern is different, so you can go. This is true or wrong? In the same way, if your destination is then Lord will bring the. If your destination not same, and you cannot achieve this place. Yeah.
But all the ways, all the paths take to the same place or no?
Depend on destination.
Many different destinations.
Yes. Where is go? Janti devabrata devana pritijantari pritrivrata bhutani janti bhuteja madjaji lopiman. Krishna says, everybody's destination is not same, they cannot achieve the same place. You wrote the letter, I wrote the letter. And same letter, both we drop in the letter box. But according to the destination, the letter will arrive at that place. You wrote the letter, I wrote the letter, and put in the same box, letter box. But letter will go according to the address of the letter.
Mas é como ir esse destino.
First understand this thing. First understand this. Everything depends on the address and destination, the letter will be arrived. In the same way, everybody doing bhajan and sadhan, not everybody achieve in the same place. Everyone will be go to the place according to their bhajan and sadhan. God is one, but if you do bhajan sadhan to God in the dasa mode, Or one person is doing bhajan and sadhan, the mood of gopi's mood. So how possible all they both are will achieve in the same place? Yeah? So for this, a lot different planets. Vaikuntha, those are Dasa mood doing bhajan and sadhan, they will achieve in Vaikuntha Dham. Those are perform bhajan and sadhan, Madhurya mood, sweetness mood, they will achieve in Guru Vrindavan. Yeah? This is the place. Or some people know I want to go in what is called? Dham of Mukti Dham. They will go Mukti Margin Brahma. What do you want? Mukti Dham or not?
I don't want to suffer.
You don't do
If
suffer.
alguém give me mukti, I go very fast.
No. You have to die, should not think I will go to the Mukti Dham.
Mas assim, não é natural isso? Perguntar uma pergunta que eu queria fazer pra eles. Se é natural que ninguém quer sofrer, como é que a gente vai abandonar isso?
If it's intrinsic of us that we don't want to suffer, how will we abandon this desire of mukti liberation?
Are Mukti is very insignificant. If you chant holy name, Krishna will be taken to Golok Vrindavan. If in your heart is the desire of mukti, you cannot attain to Krishna prem. Bhukti mukti spriya jabota pisachini hili vartate. Tavat sukhas tatra katho abhuddho bhavit. Even your desire for mukti, you cannot attain to go Shuddha Bhakti. Bhukti mukti spriya pisachini. Bhukti mukti, the desire for bhukti mukti, liberation is as like the witch. Do you want to witch or not? So why do you want? What the desire of mukti, that's called witch. Mukti not witch. The desire for liberation, that's the witch. Those are saying there, bhukti mukti spriya pisachini. Bhakti mukti spriya pisachini hidi vartate. Tava bhakti sukhastatra katham abhuddhyo bhavit. If you have desire for mukti, you cannot attain Shuddha Bhakti. So you have to give up this conception about mukti. These things. Or how to attain to Golok Vrindavan. These things. Understand? So never did it. So the bhakti mukti spriya javato pisachana hidi vartate. Stavat bhakti sukhas tatra katham abhuddho bhavit. This is the what do you mean?
E na hora do móvel, it's different. But India is one.
Ela tá
Tem diz
falando português,
a maneira de ir para a Índia pode ser, não é diferente? Eu pergunto, o avião, o carro, é uma carroça, né? Seria os caminhos, ou religions, ou práticas diferentes. Mas chega na Índia.
She's saying she has this conception. She wants to know if it's right. The different religions, they are like different transportations, but
Right.
all of them reach the same place.
No.
Eu disse para ele,
Their destination is different. Christian destination, Buddhist destination is
Quer
different.
dizer, todas as religiões têm destinos diferentes, não são como transportes diferentes, não levam para o mesmo lugar. O destino deles, o destino do cristianismo, ou do budismo, ou do Vaishnavismo, eles são diferentes.
Mas esse é.
What is the destination of Buddhist? You know or not?
Ah, sim. É, não, mas porque
What's the
What is the destination of Buddhist?
Qual é a destino do budista?
If you read the Buddhist philosophy, they understand what is their destination, what they want.
O que é que o budismo
Não,
quer?
eu quero entender.
What is the destination of Christianity?
Qual é o destino do cristão
É?
quando ele, o cristianismo, que ele
If
está
you-
praticando, ele vai levar.
If you learn their philosophy, they'll understand.
Entender a filosofia dele, você vai entender.
Sometimes they don't even know, right?
Eh?
Sometimes it seems they don't even know. From different religions, they don't even know what to do.
They know, but what is the destination? What, every religion, they have destination.
Toda religião diferente tem um destino.
Well, when you read their philosophy, they understand. Eh? If you read our Vaishnava philosophy, they understand what is our destination. Even our Vaishnava philosophy also four Vaishnavas, Sampradayas. And their destination also different also. Ramanujarya destination, Madhacharya, Nimmaditya, Vishnu Swami, Vaishnava Sampradaya still, but also different destination. Ramanujarya, their destination, Vaikuntha,
Ou seja,
Lakshmi Narayan, they think. Or Ram, Sita, Ayodhya, Ramanandi Sampradaya. So in this way, when you deeply analyze that every religion, their philosophy different and different their destination. So everybody will not go. Transportation also different. Sadhan, transportation means ki sadhan. Understand this thing. So this destination not same, no transportation also same. Sadhan is not same.
Quer dizer, é porque eu tinha entendido assim, que ele tinha falado que ele mesmo falou, eu entendi assim, essa questão da budismo, budismo eu sei o que é, liberação, tal, mas eu entendi que ele disse assim, mesmo eu entendi ele falando assim, mesmo os transportes diferentes vão para a Índia. Aí quando ele disse isso, eu entendi que mesmo as práticas diferentes vão para o mesmo local. Eu tinha entendido assim.
Ele quis falar só que se o seu destino é ir para a Índia, você vai ter.
Você pode ter. If your destination is to India, you can make different processes to get to India. Like you could take a car or you could take a bus. But if you have different destinations, also you have different transportations, and you reach different places.
Okay. Now your question is coming. If your destination is India,
Se o seu destino é a Índia o mesmo.
okay. So if you go to destination, different transportation going.
Você pode usar diferentes transportes.
Sadhana is different.
O sadhana é diferente.
Okay. But mood should be same.
Mas o humor deve ser o mesmo.
Then what is the transportation sadhana?
Qual é o transporte? Sadhana.
And Shravan, Kirtan, Smaran, Archana, Bandhan, Sakha, Atma Nivedan. 9 types of sadhana is going in there. And this is the transportation. But in this transportation sadhana, you can also achieve this. Ekanga sadhika, sadhi bahuvanga. Understand this thing? If you are Shravan, you can also attain in there. But Tarmadhi solution, Nam Sankirtan is very powerful and easy and quick attaining there. Transportation. Nam Sankirtan. If your destination to Golok Vrindavan, transportation is 9 transportation is going. What are 9? Sravanam, Kirtan, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padasimanam, Achanam, Bandhanam, Dasa, Sakkatma Nivedanam. So Kirtanaka, Sravan, Kirtanaka Bhakti. Transportation means sadhana. Kirtanaka Bhakti, that promotes and easy and very quick. So need what is your destination. Then our kirtan also these things according to your mood also need also. And if not mood same, you all will not achieve in the same place. This is all. Huh?
Eu acho que a pergunta dela é uma coisa. Se ela cantar um Pai Nosso, ela vai para o duvidar. Se ela cantar o Barra Mansa, ela vai para sua Arga Louca. Eu acho que a questão dela mais é...
Não, a questão não é essa.
Não,
Não. Quando ele disse assim, você pode pegar transportes diferentes e chegar na Índia. Eu entendi, porque eu sei disso aqui, desse negócio. Mas ele falou, da maneira que ele falou,
Mas você entendeu agora o que ele estava querendo
eu
falar?
sei, mas cada transporte desse é diferente e chega na Índia. E cada transporte desse que é diferente, aí tem que dizer como é. Aí ele disse assim, a questão do humor, mesmo que pegue um avião, né? Querendo ir para a Índia, vai. Mesmo que pegue um carro, querendo ir para a Índia, vai. Eu pensei que assim, uma pessoa está numa linha tal, uma pessoa canta uma Mahamantra, aí chega lá em Krishna. Outra pessoa, né? Não canta uma Mahamantra porque não é um avião, é um carro, e chega em Krishna. Eu entendi isso, não é que eu estou dizendo que seja.
Pois é, porque o Maharaj...
Não canto Mahamantra, mas chega lá na...
Pois é.
Is it possible, like, to follow different processes and get to the same, you're saying, to get to the same destination, like, if you chant the Maha Mantra, that's the transportation, you get to Goloka Vrindavan. But if you chant different mantras,
What different mantra? Kali Yuga only one mantra.
in
Kali
Kali
Yuga,
Yuga, so is issue
Kali Yuga Mahamantra Nam
Então só o
Sankirtan.
transporte que vai.
You cannot to chant any others mantra. Because giving the different yugas, different mantra is given.
esse é o único processo.
Então pronto, é só o
Understand?
transporte.
Or you listen first. If you don't listen, I
Você
cannot
não
speak.
ouve, ele não
Excuse
tem
me,
como...
excuse.
Only different yugas, different mantra has given.
Diferentes yugas, existem mantras,
Satta yugas mantra,
yuga,
Treta yugas mantra, Dapur yuga mantra, Kali yugas mantra.
Kali Yuga.
Kali yugas Mahamantra Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Very simple way. Kali yuga Mahamantra. You have to chant Kali yuga Mahamantra, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Because you are now in this Kali Yuga. Satta Yuga is Mahamantra different. And, or if you chant Satta Yuga is Mahamantra, but now you staying in Kali Yuga, so what kinds of benefit you will get? You will get benefit. But our Shastra is saying this way. Kali Yuga is Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is the process. In Treta Yuga, Dapur Yuga, they also, there are different their transportation. That is called Pushpa Viman. They went to Pushpa, they traveled Pushpa Viman. Now possible Pushpa Viman? Kali Yuga not Pushpa Viman. Understand Pushpa Viman? Kali Yuga not possible.
How is it possible?
Because every yuga has the different things this way. So that means the conclusion is that every yuga is different Mahamantra. Shastra giving this. This Kali Yuga's Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. But if you think, no, I don't want to chant Hare Krishna, Kali Yuga Mahamantra. You are now staying in Kali Yuga, but you don't want to chant Kali Yuga Mahamantra Hare Krishna. You want to chant the Satta Yuga's Mahamantra. So, how will to attain the same destination? Maybe Lord will take you, and so where the Satta Yuga is going, that planet will be sent to you. Understand these things. And innumerable Brahmandas is going on. And innumerable Brahmandas, different yugas also going on this way. Understand? We are now in this Brahmanda, is what yugas is going on? Kali Yuga. Maybe another Brahmanda, there is going to Satya Yuga, another Brahmanda, Dapar Yuga, Kali Yuga. Yeah? So if you don't want to chant holy names, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, you think, no, I will chant Satya Yuga's Mahamantra. Or Teta Yuga's Mahamantra. Yeah? So, Lord will take you and throw in that Brahmanda where Satya Yuga is going on, but Dapar Yuga going on. Then you will do bhajan sadhan there, then you will go. But Kali Yuga Mahamantra is very important because we are need, and Kali Yuga is very easy also. Eh? No need in hard austerities. Satya, Treta, Dapar Yuga, so many austerities. Eh? Kali Yuga, no austerities. Eh? Simple we chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Satya Yuga people, they perform hard austerities. And in this Kali Yuga, not possible hard austerities. One Nirjala Ekadasi very difficult. Eh? You understand? So why you were thinking the other transportation? Only Kali Yuga, only one transportation, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Namaiva, Kevalam, Kalu. Kalu means this Kali Yuga. Nastiva Gatirananta. Then, in this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process. You learn these slokas. You don't learn these slokas or only ask many questions, you cannot get answer. Nastiva Gotiranatha, there are no any other destination without chanting holy names. This is the thing. Learn one slok, then all your doubts will be removed from your heart. Or you are not learning, just dry question, oh, I did it. I want to then learn this sloka. Hare Nama, Hare Nam Eva, Namaiva Keval, Nam Eva, only Harinam. Kalu Nastiva Gatiram. Kalu means this Kali Yuga. There are no any other process to attend to Lord. Only chant holy names. Nam Sankirtan hoite have sarva anartha nas. By the chanting holy names, then your anarthas, unwanted things will destroy and attain your highest perfection. So no need to dry logic or dry arguments. Learn one sloka. This is the proof. Understand this? So why your question come? I will chant this thing, this transportation. Kali Yuga only one transportation. One medicine. One transportation, one medicine. Harinam. Sadhan and Saddha. Kali Yuga, sadhan is what? Harinam. Or Kali Yuga, Saddha also? Harinam. So why you find out to the another transportation? You tell to me.
Por que ele está perguntando?
Eu tinha entendido assim. Eu
Por que
fiquei
buscar
admirada.
outros transportes?
Eu fiquei até
Ele está te
admirada.
fazendo uma pergunta.
Escuta,
Está te fazendo uma pergunta.
Por que buscar outros transportes?
Sir,
Não,
she
acho
does
que
not
o
want to
problema não é
listen.
porque eu fiquei
Only I am
assim.
speaking, she did not listen.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Only when speaking, maybe she is thinking another question,
Quando
but not listening the answer.
mas ela não está ouvindo,
Listen the answer properly.
ouvir a resposta de uma maneira apropriada.
What is the answer?
Qual é a resposta?
The Kali Yuga, there are no any other transportation.
Em Kali Yuga não existem outros transportes.
Transportation is sadhan.
O único transporte é
Transportation is sadhan. Kali Yuga only one transportation, sadhan. Harinam.
Harinam.
Karma, Gyan, Yoga, Tapasa not possible. So why you thinking the other transportation? Tell to me.
Por que que você, então, por que que você está
There are no any other transportation.
Não
Eh?
tem outros transportes.
Here we will go to the town.
Aqui nós vamos
You understand? Only one transportation.
tem transporte.
So you have to accept that transportation.
Só existe transporte.
If you say, no, I want to go by car,
Não, se eu quero ir de carro,
I go to by train, I go to by plane.
eu quero de avião.
But here is no bus, no train, no aeroplane.
Não tiver avião
So why your question is coming? I
específico.
take that transportation.
Gosto
Only one transportation here, Harinam. So why you are thinking this is another transportation?
É Harinam, então por que você pensa, pode
Tell to me.
existir outro transporte? Me diga. Pode responder. Ele está perguntando,
Here, Brazil to go to India, many kinds of transportation.
quer dizer, daqui para
Especially two transportation we go. Explain. By air or by
No, they take only airplane.
ship.
você pode ir na navio,
You can take the two transportation here.
pegar pelo menos dois tipos de transporte.
By air, aeroplane,
Pode ir por ar,
or by
você pode ir
ship.
pelo
You go cargo ship. You can go. Take in Portalia here, and maybe after 3 months, 6 months, you will arrive in Bombay or Calcutta, Madras, India. Or aeroplane you can do after 12 hours or what is my name?
24.
24 hours you arrive in Delhi. So two transportation. But in Kali Yuga, here they is saying this way, there only one transportation, sadhan. Transportation is sadhan. Harinam.
O transporte significa sadhana.
Yeah.
É Harinam.
So why your question is coming? You have no second
Outra opção.
option.
Não existe uma segunda opção.
You have no choose.
Não tem escolha.
Only one
Existe só
dot. What is called? Harinam. So why you are thinking you another transportation thinking?
não existe.
Listen, Bhakti. This is the thing.
Você tem que ouvir, exatamente.
What is the Harinam Kevalam. Keval means only one, not others. Haren Namaiva Kevalam. Eva and Kevalam. Both words is coming. Namaiva, Nam Eva, only very intense. And Keval only. You understand the Sanskrit words? Only one transportation. Understand? Harinam. Not any other. No karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, not possible. Kalijug to deliver from the material world. No sadhiti man yoga, no sankha dharma uddhava, no shaddas tapus tagu, yatha bhaktir mama urjita. Krishna also says to Uddhava, you read 11th canto, Srimad Bhagavatam. Krishna gave all the instruction to Uddhava, they have to attain to Krishna. What transportation? Well, no sadhati man yogam. By the problem of yoga, many people are doing yoga. That is not the perfect transportation. No sadhati man yoga. No sadhati man yoga, no sankha dharma. Kopil sandhu sankha philosophy. Not possible. Sadhati man yoga, sankha dharma. No sadhaya. Reading Ved, Upanishad, not possible also. No sadhimang sankha dhava uddhava, no sadhus tapos tagu. Even the perform hard austerity, renunciation, not possible. Only bhakti yoga. And Kali Yuga bhakti yogas? Harinam. So you are giving the only transportation. Intense river, only one transportation. So what is for this? Transportation is one. Nam sadhan. These things. So there are no questions to other transportation, go here and there. Chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Desde que eu conheço o movimento, que eu sei todo esse discurso, certo? Desculpa. Eu fiquei achando estranho porque ele disse que tinha transportes diferentes. Aí, poxa, tem transporte diferente, mas só tem transporte de cantar o Mahamanta, por isso que eu achei estranho. Aí tudo que ele está falando aí, você está dizendo, tá vendo? É cantar o Mahamanta na casa dele. Deus, coisas para.
Saying that
Aí eu fiquei achando estranho por
in
isso
the
que ele disse que
beginning, when
tinha.
you said about transportation, many transportation to take to the same destination, she thought, oh, so there are many processes, different processes. But then you explained, oh, there's only Mahamanta, and that she was explaining. She got confused by this. She thought many transportation meant
No, many transportation were saying, look, Shravan, Kirtan, Smaran, Padasman, Archan, Bandhan, Dasa, Sakha, Atma Nivedan. That is called 9 tips, 9, what is called? Limbs of bhakti. This is also there. But in Kali Yuga, what the transportation is coming? Kirtanakha bhakti. Kirtanakha bhakti, what the Kirtan? Nam Sankirtan. But how to improve your Nam Sankirtan? Because Kali Yuga, how to improve your Nam Sankirtan? Then other transportation, all they help to you. Shravan, Harikatha Shravan. This Harikatha Shravan, to have a nourishment, your Nam Sankirtan. Don't get so much your enthusiasm will come to chanting holy names. If you not listen Harikatha, you are so much enthusiastic will not coming to chanting holy names. Kirtan, glorification of pastimes of Krishna. All this is what? Nourishment to Nam Sankirtan. Do you understand? Your confusion is this, but confusion clear, you to understand. Shravan, Kirtan, Smaran of the Archan, worship Thakurji. Why you are worship Thakurji? To increase improvement of your Nam Sankirtan. All the transportation to nourishment to Nam Sankirtan. Our destination this. Shravan, Kirtan, Smaranam, Padushan, Archan, Bandhan, Dasa, Sakha. All these are the things. How to develop your chanting holy names. Not other things. Do you understand these things? And other yugas, they are different. Shravane Parikshit Maharaj. And in Shravan, Parikshit Maharaj, he attained. Kirtan, Vyasaki, Vyasdev, and Sukadev Goswami. Smarane Prahlad Maharaj, different people, they also achieve their translation, achieve their goal, destination in different ways. But Kali Yuga Nam Sankirtan, with all these there's nourishment to Nam Sankirtan. Understand this? If you not listen Harikatha, then your not taste will come to chanting holy names. This is the thing. If you not worship Thakurji, then your taste will not come chanting holy names. So for this, all the transportation, sadhan, nourishment, Nam Sankirtan. You understand this thing? All kinds of our sadhan, saban, kirtan, smaran, padushan, are there only for how to nourishment, Nam Sankirtan. This is the process. So remember this thing. Sadhu Sangha, and how to, even without Sadhu Sangha, also your Nam Sankirtan not improve. Tar madhye sarvashreshta Nam Sankirtan. And Nirupadhe Nam Lede Pai Krishna Padi Premadhan. All kinds of sadhan, this is true. But all kinds of sadhan, nourishment to Nam Sankirtan. But how to associate Nam Sankirtan? With sadhu sangha. With sadhu. Without sadhu sangha, also your Nam Sankirtan will be not proper. So all these words, sadhu sangha, Nam Sankirtan. Sadhu sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Muthurava, Srimurti Shraddha Sevan, Sakal Sadhan Shrestha. এই পাঁচের মুখ্য অঙ্গ কৃষ্ণ প্রেম জন্মায় পাঁচের অল্প সঙ্গ the Kali-yug Nam Sankirtan, Bhakti Nam Sankirtan with sadhu. And if you alone chant holy names, you will not achieve your perfection goal also. So sadhu sangha, Nama Sankirtan. You understand? Nam Sankirtan is the truth, our Vivek. But without sadhu sangha, your Nam Sankirtan will not perfect. So what is your question? What is your confusion? And I told many all the transportation sadhan, but all transportation to again nourishment to Nam Sankirtan. Because Nam Sankirtan is very powerful. Understand? You listen, understand. You listen, then understand. Yeah. So your confusion have or not yet? No, should not. Any doubts. Remove all your doubts.
Bear transport. One bear transport. Transport melhor.
Best.
This.
But all the best transport Nam Sankirtan, but all transportation, nourishment to Nam Sankirtan. That means transportation is sadhan. All sadhan, nourishment. All sadhan, sadhan means transportation. Shravan, why you listen Hari Katha? To nourishment your, improvement your Harinam. This is the process. Kirtan, improvement of your Harinam. Everything, all kinds of nourishment to Nam Sankirtan. Because Kali-yuga Nam Sankirtan. Mahaprabhu told you this thing. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Kali kale naam bina nahi ar dharma. Sarva shastre ei sar marma. Prabhu koi kohilam ei mahamantra. Yagya japasabhi kariya nirvandha. Only Harinam. This is true. But not so easy to test will come chanting holy names. If you chant holy name, sleepiness will come. Sleepiness coming or not? But when you listen Hari Katha, Kirtan Hari Katha, then less sleepiness will come. So that means Nam Sankirtan is one. And they say one tree, Nam Sankirtan. Or others, they are nourishment. So Nam Sankirtan is a big tree. Very nice tree. And all they also nourishment to the trees. Shravan, Kirtan, Smaran, Padashman, Archan, Bandhan, all they also Nam Sankirtan. If you are not chanting holy names, well, I only listen Hari Katha. Kali-yuga not possible. Kali-yuga is Nam Sankirtan. But you will chanting holy names, not listen Hari Katha, also your mind will be not fixed because nourishment not coming. So this is important. Nam Sankirtan is true. But how to improvement? Taste will come, chant holy names. Listen Hari Katha with the association of sadhu. What is the question?
So if you when you say the Mahamantra Hare Krishna is the sadhana and sadhya, I understand that when we go to Goloka Vrindavana, we keep on chanting Hare Krishna. We are chanting Mahamantra Hare Krishna, not only here but after also.
Yeah, there is also the Mahamantra also there. Gopis, they also chanting Mahamantra or not? What chanting? Govinda Damodara Madhavamati. Here we chanting Radha Krishna. They are chanting also Eh? Eh? They are chanting also Radhe Krishna. Gopis are chanting Radhe Krishna. Eh?
Because
They are also glorify about also Radha and Krishna. They are different. Just same name they are chanting. Eh? Sri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishore Krishna Ha Sri Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Sri Vallavi Jeevan Radhikesha. Eh? They are also chanting this. Eh? They are simple, they are chanting Gopijari. Eh? What is chanting? Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti. Eh? They are chanting.
Para chegar no Logo Vrindavana, é necessário perder o corpo físico ou pode estar aqui agora?
If we have this body, material body, yes, in this body, we have material body now, formed by these 5 elements. Do we, to get to Goloka Vrindavana, is it possible to be in this body and be in Goloka Vrindavana at the same time, or only if we don't have a body formed by these elements?
All this gross, yesterday I told, our body is 3 bodies in down.
Esse corpo é formado por corpo grosseiro, sutil.
3 bodies we have now.
Existem 3 corpos.
This body is called what body? Gross body. Inside another body, that is called subtle body. Mon, buddhi, ahankar, chitta. Subtle body. In the subtle body, you have one Atma Sarira, transcendental body. You have everything. You read Jaiva Dharma. What chapter? 15th chapter, Jaiva Dharma. You have Jaiva Dharma?
Yes.
15th chapter, Jaiva Dharma. Jiva Tattva is explained Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Very clear. No need to others Grantha. Then your mind would be disturbed. Because you cannot understand the Sanskrit slokas. And different meanings, different, what is called? Interpretation will come. Only read Jaiva Dharma. Jaiva Dharma, 15th chapter. Page number.
No, he has Portuguese, Maharaj.
Okay, 15th chapter you can read. If I have the page number, your Portuguese maybe not same, but chapter is same. Okay, so you can check. There also Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this gross body, inside the gross body one subtle body. In the subtle body, we have very nice, beautiful form. When you do bhajan and sadhan, then gross body and subtle body, you live, and your transcendental body, Siddha Deha, Atma Sarir, then you go Goloka Vrindavan. Yes. Understand? You have very nice eyes, nose, hands, legs. Whatever these are, very nice in this. But not as like this. Understand? Understand? Because this body is made by the 5 elements. But in the Atmasari body is a transcendental, Sachidananda. Very nice, beautiful eyes. Your eyes should be very as like the shape of the fish. Meenakshi. You don't know. Just a joking. Maybe now your eyes as like owl eyes. Owl eyes have seen any? You did not see the owl.
Only picture.
Owl did not see?
Yeah. Sometimes, yeah. Not,
When
not
we are
close.
going to the, what is it called?
Where do you see? I don't even.
Remember if I was saying in the, we are doing Bhagavad Saptah there, and all the
in
ocean.
Penha. Penha. Itajaí.
Tajai. There you have seen that? Here also many. Sometimes. That is eyes as like round. But if your bodies of the soul, Atmasari, eyes as like shape of fish, Meenakshi. They are transcendental body. Very nice, beautiful eyes, nose, hands, legs, everything. Nice, beautiful hair. Maybe now your hair as like Putana. Huh? But your transcendental body, here very nice, beautiful. Eh? Understand? Blackish and going to the under the knee. You have everything. You don't know. You don't know. Sometimes you don't know your own glories. Eh? Understand?
Okay.
Huh. I tell to you.
Thank you.
You don't know your own glories. How you are beautiful. Eh? How your beautiful hands, legs, everything is there. Eh? These things. So that means when you sadhana bhajan, you come in the stage of bhavadasa, then your this gross body and subtle body you give up and you receive your own transcendental body, Sachidananda body. And you have everything in there. Then you will go that body to Golok Vrindavan.
Okay.
This body cannot go. This body will live here. You have everything.
Thank you.
You read Jaiva Dharma. This is not my interpretation. Jaiva Dharma, 15th chapter, Bhaktivinoda Thakur Kamal Manjari, he wrote. This is the perfect. No need to others interpretation or commentary. Only read Jaiva Dharma, 15th chapter Jaiva Dharma.
Okay.
And you underline what I am speaking. So, many people, oh, this Shastra saying, this Shastra saying, or give up all Shastra, only Jaiva Dharma, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, one point. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is Saptam Goswami. 7th Goswami Bhaktivinoda Thakur, what did he say? There is 100% truth.
Okay.
So,
Okay, Maharaj.
you read. You have Jaiva Dharma or not?
Hey, yes.
Where is that? In your house, Kaja.
See?
So you will go tonight and read Jaiva Dharma 15th chapter complete and underline there.
Sublinha.
And how is the beautiful form? Your soul, Atma. You have everything.
Okay.
So, no need many commentary, no need many things, and you form faith. This is called impression, sanskar. Otherwise, you know sanskar, listen here and there, but oh, you have nothing. If you go Babaji Sampradaya, there you go, you have nothing, I will give you. What will give you? No. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying you have everything. Understand? Very nice, beautiful your face. Good Brahmanand, leave. Oh. Oi.
No primeiro capítulo do Jaiva Dharma, no primeiro capítulo,
Chapter of Jaiva Dharma.
quando o sannyasi se encontra com o Babaji Maharaj.
Are you listen pura whole then tell to me.
É melhor eu vou falar tanto. Aí quando ele se encontra, chega uma parte que o Babaji Maharaj se sente, o sannyasi se sente, então o Babaji Maharaj ele começa a cantar e ele começa a fazer o serviço, né? A fazer o serviço, a ter a visão transcendental, no mundo espiritual e cantar. E na mesma hora, Sannyasi Thakur também tem isso pela misericórdia de Babaji Maharaj, né? Então, você pergunta, nessa hora Babaji Maharaj não estaria em Golok Vrindavan, mesmo com o corpo, mesmo ele sendo um corpo do devoto puro, né? Não é mais um corpo que quer tocar corpo mais, ele não estaria também,
So,
não sei tocar isso.
Babaji Maharaj and Sannyasi Thakur, they are sitting together and Babaji Maharaj in the first chapter and he's I don't know what he's doing, but
De bananeira,
yeah, but he has this transcendental vision of him in his transcendental body, yes, and he speaks
Sannyasi Thakur.
yeah. And in that time, isn't he in his body, and he is at the same time in Golok Vrindavan,
Yeah, those are Nitya Siddha Paripad, they are at the time too.
and doesn't.
Two kinds of them. One is sadhak and siddha.
Existem sadhakas e siddhas.
So sadhak was coming in this way, in this also they have.
Sadhaka ele tem esse curso.
As you are Nitya Siddha Parikar, they are coming from here. At a time you are here, and at a time you are there.
E quando eles estão, but their body is not.
That body is a transcendental body, but according to your vision, looking is a material. Rupa Goswami, body is what? Sachidananda. Also there, but we are looking Rupa Goswami as like us, as this is not. Because our Maya vision, the vision of Maya, our Maya vision, Rupa Goswami body transcendental body. But I am looking low, same maybe some this. Yeah? So those who are Nitya Siddha Parikar, eternal assertive Krishna, they are at a time staying in this material world. At a time they are Galu Vrindavan. Achinta Shakti, they can stay two places. Rupa Goswami Pad here, in the form of Rupa Goswami Pad, and acting as the role of a sadhaka. At a time is a Siddha, worship devotee Radha and Krishna in the form of Rupa Manjari. Yeah,